Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to set up spending limits on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Open up your Revolut application and make sure you are logged in. So once you're all logged in and on your home page here, so on your application, so what you're going to do now here is open up your cards, go to your cards section, go to the cards tab here, all right, and then click on the virtual card or virtual or physical, so whatever whatever you want to set the limit to. So for example, in this video I will use my virtual card, so click on virtual and then click on the settings option here, all right. And if you go to the settings, so you'll see limits there. You'll see a spending limit option, so click on the spending limit option, and here at the moment it is I've turned it off, so you can turn that on and then set up your limit here. So type in the amount and then hit on set limit, and that's pretty much it is. So that's how you can set limits, spending limit to your card. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.